Welcome to the Resogra Vendor Academy. In this short guide, you will learn how to build a service portfolio, so you can show off the work you do in neat, photo-rich categories and win more customers. Let's get started. In your vendor menu, under Seller Tools, open Service Portfolio. This is where service sellers, like tailors, stylists, and artists, showcase their work. Right now your portfolio is empty. To fill it, you start by adding a category, which is simply a group for related work, like hair services or wedding cakes. Find the Add Category box. Every category gets a name in both English and French, so shoppers always see it in their own language. Type the category name in English. For example, hair services. Then type the same category name in French. For example, services capillaires. Click Add Category. Once it is created, you can open it and add photos with short captions to show real examples of your work. And that's it. You now know how to start a service portfolio that shows buyers exactly what you can do. Thanks for watching, and visit resogra.com for more free vendor tutorials.